Hey educators, testing season is right around the corner and premium dates are still available. If you would like to schedule a test preparation assembly program with higher impact entertainment for your school. To give you an idea of what our assembly programs look like, watch this.
Time to get funky. Here comes the monkey. It's time to get funky. Funky, monkey, funky, monkey.
For more information, visit us at higherimpactent.com. And to schedule and secure a test preparation assembly program for your school, call us at 210-882-2255. We look forward to coming to your school.